What is up, YouTube? We're here with our Tackle Talk Thursday program. So today we're going to talk about some baits I received in the mail from a little company that sells them on Amazon. This is what they come in. There's 5 baits in here, and they're little top water baits. Overall, each of them got a nice paint job on them. Got a perch, got a baby bass, maybe a brim color, and then a sunfish color. I really like the sunfish color and the baby bass color. I'll get both of them out and let you look at them. This is the baby bass. Overall, got a decent hook on them. These hooks, if I'm going to use them, I'll change them out to owner hooks. The tail spins on them, almost like a whopper plopper. Got a little spin to it, and it's got a little Colorado blade on the back. I would call this a small Colorado blade, as you can see. Same thing with the sunfish. So overall, they got a decent little paint job on them, a little clear coat. Looks like a little, I would say, a challenge bait for you to do a fishing challenge on it. See if we can catch anything on them. I would probably definitely use these in the river, just to see if I can catch some jackfish or chain pickerel or whatever you want to call them. In Georgia, we call them jackfish or toothy critters. So overall, they're decent little looking baits. Here's one of the brim colors. Just a small spinner on the back. All of them's got the gold Colorado. One thing I can see is if a fish just bites this part, is this probably could break or bend up. Overall, the part that goes through the bait is kind of like I said, I'll probably change the hooks on the owner hooks just to give it a little bit more stout hook on it. I'll probably throw it on a bait caster. A bait caster will probably throw this. Maybe make it like a 5-to-1, 6-to-1 gear ratio, just something. Probably want a medium fast action rod, probably 10-pound P-line fluorocarbon. But overall, just a little bait review. This is what we're going to do on Thursdays. We're just going to do little bait reviews. I've got some more baits I can review, and just a small little packet of them. You get 5 of them in the box. Just a small little packet. It comes with a little lock case, but not much. But like I said, we're going to do a little bit of Tackle Talk on Thursdays, and this will be the Tackle Talk show. On Monday nights at 8:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, I do a live video here on YouTube every other Monday night at 8:30 p.m. Eastern Central Standard Time. Just to get people on and talk about bass fishing in general, and then talk about have some other kayak anglers come on and talk about their experience kayak bass fishing. So make sure you like this video, you subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell as well. Hitting the notification bell is important because that will give you notifications of every time I upload a video and every time I go live on the channel. So thank you for watching, and hope you enjoyed the Tackle Talk Thursday.